seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt light is on.
We'll be landing in 10 minutes.
What's your main dish?
And now everyone look at your mushaf. I should learn Arabic. Hi all. We're gonna start learning the Arabic alphabets by the order of the position of articulation. The first letter we learn is ba. 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 How to pronounce the letters with short vowels: fath, kasr, and dam. Ba. B. Boo. This is how we write ba at the beginning of the word, like this example. Bayt, which means house. This is how we write ba at the middle of the word, like this example. Khubz, which means bread. This is how we write ba at the end of the word, like this example. Kutub, which means books. Then we learn the letter fa. 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 How to pronounce the letters with short vowels: fath, kasr, and dam. Fa. Fi. Fu. This is how we write fa at the beginning of the word, like this example. Feel, which means elephant. And this is how we write fa at the middle of the word, like this example. طفل, which means child. And this is how we write fa at the end of the word, like this example. Sharif, which means noble.